Hi, my name is Chris Howell, and we are providing an overview of SMS Pro's key functionality. And we were in the dashboard on the assigned corrective actions, and these are the corrective actions that were assigned to me by another manager or by myself. And we notice that there's the familiar information icon, but in the corrective actions, I can see some more details. I can also send a message to the manager that I'm done with this, or um, I can tell them that it's completed. You can see the history of the user notes or the manager's notes, etc. We also have tasks, we have training qualifications, and we see that I'm assigned as a flight attendant, but I don't have any training or qualifications assigned to me. And we have the Inspections and Audit tab where I can create or start a new inspection, resume one, view them, or stop it. I can look at the history of past inspections or evaluations. I can manage an inspection or audit. And these are custom inspection forms that are created in the under safety assurance and custom inspection form, because in SMS Pro you're allowed to create your own inspection forms and then uh, allow other users to create to perform the inspection or the evaluation or the audit, because in essence an inspection, an audit, or an evaluation is the same, because it's you're having a form with a checklist and then answers. One of the nice things about SMS Pro is that when you have findings or concerns, you can, during the audit, you can submit that as an issue, and it gets fed into the hazard management machinery of SMS Pro. So it's managed just like every other issue. So that was the inspection and evaluation piece in SMS Pro. Under the dashboard, we also have the flight risk assessment tool that you can perform individual flight risk assessments. And for here, you can we'll just put in some quick information, and I'll just kind of give you an idea of these checklists. I'm going to say A and C. Just put in some numbers here, just as SEA, so that you can perform an individual flight risk assessment on all your flights before you take off. And here's a checklist, and at the end you're going to get the results and a printable report on your on this particular flight, and it will email people in charge about the current risk. And you can a manager has the ability to edit these values also that are behind this. Let's just look at our editable edit features. We can edit the wording of the questions and provide it a value. We can assign it in an order. So we have manpower, operating environment, equipment, departures and arrivals. I can set up certain landing areas. I can create a new a new landing strip if I need to. And one of the nice things about this flight risk assessment tool is that you can assign risk ranges, so people will be notified based on the risk range. And we can see that if there's 0 to 20, it just requires the captains or dispatchers or flight coordinator concurrence. These are the messages that the person who's doing the flight risk assessment is going to receive. Let's look at the preferences real quick. I can set up the names of certain fields. I have some custom fields. I can enter or send high risk reports to other people.